Hi, I'm Ruby Romana and welcome to my little video channel, The Oracle. So anyway, I've decided to use Tori Hartman's Oracle Wisdom Chakra cards for today's reading. And the reading is going to be for the week beginning Monday, October the 12th, 2015 and ending Sunday, October the 18th, 2015. Gosh, the year's gone by so quickly, hasn't it? We're already in October. Mind you, I better not say the C word quite yet. It might offend a few people. So, let's just see what the cards have got and the messages they're going to convey to us for this week. Wonder what the week's going to behold, what's going to be the main theme. So, let's see. Let's give it one more shuffle. Shuffling, shuffling, shuffling. These are quite thick cards actually, so they feel a little bit odd to shuffle, I must admit, but they're beautiful cards. So, anyway, I'm going to take the first card from the top. So the first card is Joy. Oh, happy days. And the second card is Faith. Oh, what lovely cards, aren't they? Oh gosh, so it's all about belief this week, isn't it? Having a little bit of belief and a little bit of happiness. So, joy, joy, joy. So perhaps it's just about learning and remembering to take notice of all those little things that make us happy. Little things that maybe we take for granted in our lives, like, you know, seeing a kid laugh or seeing your husband smile at you and that kind of thing. Do you know what I mean? Also, other things that can make us happy and bring us joy. Helping other people, that can actually bring us joy, can't it? To help and to take our minds off ourselves. That can be a brilliant joy. Particularly helping when you don't want anything in return. That kind of thing. Or, of course, there's nature's joy as well, isn't there? Going outside and going into the lovely countryside and, you know, looking up at the sky, and even if it's grey and cloudy, still actually appreciating it, isn't it? Having joy, just that natural kind of joy. Sometimes joy can just be within yourself, can't it? It doesn't have to be really anything that's kind of based on an outside factor. It shouldn't really have to just be because something's happened externally that you suddenly internally feel joy. Perhaps we've got to tap into that inner joy that's always there. That kind of joy, that's the best sort of joy, isn't it? And then we're never like a ship on a stormy water if we can find our own wellspring of joy from within. So, and faith. Is there something that you need to believe in? Is there something perhaps that you've been looking at negatively in your life and you've been thinking it's never going to happen? And perhaps this thinking it's never going to happen is the very thing that's deterring it from happening, isn't it? A lack of faith can be a deterrent to our own goals and the things that we really do want in our lives that really will bring us some joy. So these really do intermingle really very well, don't they? Both of these cards. You need to have joy to have, and that having joy will put you on that frequency of actually believing that you're going to receive, and having faith does actually help you have joy, doesn't it? Because when you really believe and you trust that this thing that you've been desiring for so long is going to happen, you start to feel so happy, don't you? You feel that inner joy. So I actually think this is going to be a week of lovely surprises, and perhaps you've been holding faith. Maybe you've been holding the faith for so long and nothing seems to have manifested. Well, perhaps you're going to get a manifestation of all that joy and of all that faith that you've been holding in your heart and in your soul and in your mind. So let's actually trust that this is going to be a magical week full of lots of joy, and just have faith and joy. It's quite easy, isn't it, to be happy and have faith and joy. And also on a last note, perhaps it's about maybe bringing a little bit of joy to people that you're noticing of maybe feeling a little bit down or a little bit downtrodden, that kind of thing. So I actually think it's going to be a beautiful, beautiful and happy week. And I think some good things are going to happen for this week. So let's keep our fingers crossed and actually believe and have the faith, and let's find joy. So have an excellent week and positive vibes from me to you.